Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I am Sam. Guys, we got our 2020 YZ250FX. We're doing a build on this bike, meaning we're just adding some parts. And I want to know, what do you guys think I should add to this YZ250FX? Any suggestions? Right now we have tubeless in it, because I really enjoy tubeless. And we have aftermarket handguards, and that's it. So we plan on adding some more parts, and today is one of those days. So we've got a cool box opening, so stay tuned for that. All right, guys, welcome back. So all these parts that we're adding to my bike, we get these from Rocky Mountain ATV. If you guys want to help out the channel, there's a link in the description. If you click on that link, it'll take you to Rocky Mountain ATV, and I get a small commission on anything that you purchase. So I appreciate that, and thanks for the support. This is what we're doing. So this is the FMF exhaust. We're gonna slap this on and then give you some specs and highlights, and then my first impressions and opinions of the bike. And then obviously down the road, we'll release another video on what we think about this exhaust. So this is not a full system. This is just going to be the muffler or the silencer. And the reason we're replacing that is because this FMF exhaust silencer is a USFS Forest Service spark arrestor approved. So it's approved to ride on all National Forest and BLM land. So that's one of the main reasons why I am replacing the silencer. I also want to drop the weight and also maybe get some more power. Who doesn't want more power? So let's open this up. All right, guys. So I've got my notes here because this is a long name and I don't want to get it wrong. So this is the FMF Factory 4.1 RCT aluminum silencer with a carbon end cap. So let's take a look at that. All right, guys, this is it. Look at this. So it's the FMF racing screen type and comes with a plug for this FMF 4.1 RCT aluminum silencer with the carbon end cap. Now, FMF claims that this is going to give you more, or they even say the word massive power gains through the entire RPM. We'll see. It's also supposed to be a lot lighter, and it comes with the new RTS rapid tuning system, which is a removable end cap here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's trying to roll this over with one hand. But can you guys see it in there? There's the screen in there as well. And this is a 94 decibel insert. So, all right, guys, we're gonna try this out and get it installed. See the size difference between each of them. So I put my hands there. Guys, so we've taken off the OEM exhaust silencer or muffler, whatever you want to call it, and we put on this FMF, the 4.1, and we're gonna give it a start and see what it sounds like. The The exhaust note on the OEM actually sounds pretty decent. I actually like it. It has a nice throaty sound. Hopefully that doesn't change. Alright. Guys, if anyone knows anything about the Yamaha will not start in gear very well. Make sure we're in neutral. Hit the start button. It sounds just like the OEM. That's a cold start, first start. I'm excited to try it out. It sounds pretty much the same. I can't really tell much of a difference. It has a little bit more of a rattle in there, kind of a throatier feel, but who knows? But here's the crazy thing is they say this drops the weight and also gives it more power through the entire RPM. We're going to try that out. I'll let you guys know. Been really enjoying this bike. As I mentioned earlier in this video, guys, there is a link in the description if you guys want to pick up the FMF. Where's the box? FMF 4.1 RCT aluminum with the carbon fiber end cap. If you want to pick up one of these exhaust systems, head over to the Rocky Mountain ATV link that's in the description. I get a small commission and I appreciate it. It allows me to continue to buy parts and create videos like this. Like I mentioned, we also are doing a bike build on this. Right now we don't have a ton of parts. It's been pretty much stock. I like to ride my bike stock first and then start adding. Few things I always add is tubeless. I got tubeless on there. We've got some flag guards. We've got some frame guards. Let me know what you guys think we should put on. We just got the FMF exhaust for the USFS spark arrestor in there. And let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.